Alright guys, this is an unboxing of the Pokemon trading card game packed with Pokemon treasures, 3 foil featuring Pikachu Latias and Latios, 5 Pokemon TCG Shining Legends booster packs, and much more! Alright, so my room's a mess, don't mind it, but I was at Target earlier and I couldn't resist. Give me a second, guys. It's really hard to open. What the fuck? I'll use my toenail clipper to open it. You could just imagine me doing that because I don't have enough hands to show you me doing it. Alright. There we go. Pokemon! So, comes with this cool little lunchbox that I totally would have used as a lunchbox had I used to pack my lunch as a kid and if I was still a kid, but I'm not. Look at that. It's kind of cheating that they tell you what you're gonna get, but oh well. I'm down with some cheating. Pikachu and Latias. Nice, nice. And then I got this little thing, which I don't know what that's for. Pretty sure that's probably for the... it's for something. But aren't I supposed to get Latios also? Yeah, I'm supposed to get Latios. Where's Latios? Oh, there goes Latios. They just put him right behind Pikachu. That's pretty cool. And they're all shiny as fuck. They're not all completely shiny, but they're like halfway shiny. That's pretty nice. Just put that back in here. One thing I don't like about these things is that they're not really suitable for carrying your cards. Okay, I didn't expect all this. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's uneven, 5 packs of cards, and 4 pencils. Okay, if I was like 3 years old, this would be amazing. Oh my god, really? The rest is just... oh shit. I don't want to bend you up. These are stickers, I believe. Because I can kind of see where you're... yeah, these are stickers. 3 different stickers. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. And I think these are more stickers. It's really hard to get out without bending. Now 2 stickers. So they gave you 5 packs of cards, 5 stickers, 3 shiny cards, 1 of these little token thingies. And oh yeah, there's a little thing right there to get things out with, in case you guys are gonna buy one after watching my video. Oh my god, there's an entire notepad that's Pokemon. That's pretty cool. Okay, that is cool. I like that. But that's not really that cool though, because like, where could I use this at? No more Pokemon cards? What is this? Oh my god, this is so cool. I think this carries your Pokemon cards for you. Give me a second, let me get my toenail clipper. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. You can actually put your cards in here. It's a little book for your cards. But that's not nearly enough to carry. Let's count how many it can carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, they can carry a lot. Could probably carry all of them. Here, you could just pause the video there if you want to count. Pause the video there if you want to count how many. cards this can carry. Or ask in the comment section and I might tell you if you're lucky. But that's pretty cool though. That is cool. I might have been able to keep my cards better if I had one of these. I mean, it's like the fact that it's cool is because it's like small. And you could definitely put that in your pocket. Bang, bang, bang. That's it, guys. The quality of the box is a box. Then you got the little latch on it. Ooh, that's a cool latch though. I would buy the box just because the latch is so cool. So if you like cool latches, buy this. And you could just give me your Pokemon cards. Alright guys, that's it. That was the unboxing of that.